Okay, so this is my 2002 Ford Mustang GT. So what I did here, I pretty much swapped over a Mach 1 dash cluster to my GT motherboard, whatnot. So all my odometers work, everything works as properly, gas, oil, yada yada, for those people that don't know how that works. Before I had this, I had actually done the rings and the little vinyl horse I did right here. So when I turn them on, they're gonna be blue, true blue LEDs, and you guys will see how much cleaner it looks here in a second. Also did these right here, the HVACs thing.